The teen driving course that gives you confidence. Getting a driver's license is a major milestone in a teenager's life. Being a licensed teen driver is about more than getting from point A to point B. Safety. Research has shown people who start driving before graduating high school are less likely to be involved in an accident. This is largely attributed to the fact that young drivers must take driver's ed for teens, where they learn the rules of the road. Freedom. Having a driver's license represents freedom for people of all ages. You no longer have to rely on another driver to get where you need to go. No more waiting on parents or the bus. Responsibility. Driving teaches teens a lot about responsibility. They are responsible for the vehicle and the safety of other passengers. When students attend driving lessons for teens, they learn just how important this responsibility is for everyone on the road. Convenience. Everyone in the family can benefit from having another driver at the house. From getting to school to running errands, it's simply more convenient, and our teen driver education classes help that. Insurance discounts. Auto insurance for teens ain't cheap. But you may be able to get a discount after attending a driving school for teenagers. No matter what your motivation is for getting a driver's license, we can help you get behind the wheel with our driving schools for teens. Who needs to take a teen driving course? Teen Drivers Ed courses and driving classes are designed for students that want to learn how to drive while they're in high school and need to meet state education requirements. Drivers Ed classes for 14-year-olds. Some states, like Texas, allow students to start the licensing process at 14 years old by taking the in-class portion of Drivers Ed and getting a learner's permit. Drivers Ed classes for 15-year-olds. In most states, the driving process can start at 15 years old. A few states even issue restricted licenses at this age if a 15-year-old already has a permit. Drivers Ed classes for 16-year-olds. The legal age to obtain a restricted driver's license is 16 years old in 43 states. This is the age when you'll be able to take the official driving test to get licensed.